Welcome to Petopia Dogs. Today, we're diving into a topic every dog owner can relate to, keeping your dog calm. Whether it's dealing with separation anxiety, loud noises, or just everyday stress, a calm dog means a happier home. In this video, we'll share simple, effective tricks to help your furry friend stay relaxed and content. Understanding dog anxiety. Dog anxiety is more common than many realize, and it can manifest in various ways. You might notice your dog pacing, barking excessively, or even engaging in destructive behavior like chewing on furniture. These are all signs that your dog is feeling anxious or stressed. Anxiety in dogs can be triggered by a range of factors. Loud noises like thunderstorms or fireworks are common culprits, but separation from their owners, unfamiliar environments, or even changes in routine can also cause distress. It's important to recognize these triggers early on to help your dog cope better. Understanding your dog's specific triggers is the first step in managing their anxiety. For example, some dogs may react strongly to being left alone, while others might become anxious around strangers or new places. Observing your dog's behavior and pinpointing what sets off their anxiety can help you create a plan to address it. By identifying these signs and triggers early, you can take proactive steps to prevent anxiety from escalating, whether it's through behavior modification, creating a calm environment, or seeking professional help. Addressing anxiety head-on can significantly improve your dog's quality of life. Creating a calm environment. A dog's environment plays a crucial role in managing their anxiety. Creating a calm and secure space at home can make a big difference in how your dog feels on a day-to-day basis. Start by designating a quiet area in your home where your dog can retreat when they're feeling overwhelmed. This could be a specific room, a corner with their bed, or even a crate if your dog finds comfort in enclosed spaces. Make this area as comfortable as possible with soft bedding, familiar toys, and maybe even a piece of your clothing that carries your scent. Reducing noise levels is another important factor. If your dog is sensitive to sounds, consider using white noise machines or playing calming music to mask external noises. This can help soothe your dog, especially during events like thunderstorms or fireworks. Calming aids, such as diffusers with calming pheromones or anxiety wraps that provide gentle pressure, can also be beneficial. These products are designed to help dogs feel more secure and can be particularly useful during stressful situations. By creating a calm environment tailored to your dog's needs, you're setting the stage for a more relaxed and happier pet. This is the foundation upon which other calming techniques can build, ensuring your dog feels safe and secure in their own home. Calming techniques and exercises. Once you've created a calm environment for your dog, it's time to incorporate specific techniques and exercises that can further help reduce their anxiety. These simple, yet effective methods can be easily integrated into your daily routine and can make a significant difference in your dog's overall well-being. Technique 1. Deep pressure therapy. Deep pressure therapy is a method that applies gentle, consistent pressure to your dog's body, which can have a calming effect. You might notice your dog naturally seeks out this kind of pressure by leaning against you or curling up in a tight space. To enhance this, you can use anxiety wraps or vests that apply light pressure to their torso. Alternatively, you can gently hold your dog close or use your hands to apply pressure along their sides and back. This technique mimics the comfort dogs feel from being held and can help alleviate their stress. Technique 2. Consistent routine. Dogs thrive on routine, and having a predictable daily schedule can significantly reduce their anxiety. Regular feeding times, daily walks, and consistent training sessions help establish a sense of security and stability. When your dog knows what to expect, they're less likely to feel anxious or stressed about what's coming next. Try to keep their routine as consistent as possible, even on weekends or holidays, to maintain this sense of order and calm. Incorporating regular physical exercise into their routine is also crucial. Exercise not only helps to burn off excess energy that can contribute to anxiety, but it also releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Whether it's a brisk walk, a game of fetch, or even a session of agility training, keeping your dog physically active is key to maintaining their mental well-being. Technique 3. Interactive toys. Interactive toys are another great way to keep your dog calm by engaging their mind and reducing stress. These toys challenge your dog to solve puzzles or work for treats, providing mental stimulation that can distract them from anxiety triggers. Puzzle feeders, treat dispensing balls, and snuffle mats are excellent choices. Not only do they keep your dog occupied, but they also satisfy their natural instincts to hunt and forage, which can be very soothing. These toys can be especially useful during times when you need to leave your dog alone. By giving them something to focus on, you can help prevent separation anxiety and destructive behavior. Incorporating these techniques into your dog's daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in their behavior and overall mood. Each dog is unique, so it may take some trial and error to find which techniques work best for your furry friend. However, with patience and consistency, these methods can help your dog lead a calmer, happier life. Managing stressful situations. Even with a calm environment and daily routines in place, certain situations can still trigger anxiety in your dog. Whether it's a trip to the vet, a thunderstorm, or an unfamiliar environment, managing these stressful events requires some additional strategies. One effective approach is gradual exposure, also known as desensitization. This technique involves slowly introducing your dog to the stressor in a controlled way, starting with very mild exposure and gradually increasing the intensity over time. For example, if your dog is afraid of car rides, you might start by simply sitting in the car with them, without going anywhere. Over time, you can progress to short drives around the block, rewarding them for calm behavior at each step. The goal is to help your dog associate the previously stressful situation with positive experiences, reducing their anxiety over time. Another key strategy is the use of counter-conditioning. This involves pairing a stressful situation with something your dog loves, such as treats or playtime. For instance, if your dog gets anxious during thunderstorms, you could try giving them their favorite treat whenever they hear thunder. Over time, this can help change their emotional response from fear to anticipation of something positive. During high-stress events, it's also important to remain calm yourself. Dogs are highly attuned to their owner's emotions, and if you're anxious or stressed, your dog is likely to pick up on that and become more anxious themselves. Practice staying calm, speaking in a soothing tone, and avoiding sudden movements, which can help your dog feel more secure. Finally, consider preparing in advance for situations you know will be stressful. If you're planning a trip to the vet, for example, make sure your dog has had plenty of exercise beforehand and bring along some of their favorite treats or toys to keep them distracted and calm. By managing stressful situations with these strategies, you can help your dog navigate challenging experiences with more confidence and less anxiety, contributing to a more balanced and relaxed life. When to seek professional help? While many dogs can benefit from calming techniques and environmental adjustments, there are cases where professional help is necessary. If your dog's anxiety is persistent, severe, or if it escalates to aggressive behavior, it's important to consult a veterinarian or a professional dog trainer. A veterinarian can rule out any underlying medical conditions that may be contributing to your dog's anxiety. They might also recommend medication or supplements that can help manage severe anxiety. In some cases, behavior modification techniques alone may not be enough, and a combination of treatments could be the most effective solution. Professional dog trainers or animal behaviorists are equipped to handle complex anxiety issues. They can work with you to create a customized training plan that addresses your dog's specific needs. This might include advanced desensitization techniques, socialization strategies, or specialized training sessions to build your dog's confidence and reduce their anxiety. Seeking professional help is a proactive step toward ensuring your dog's well-being and improving their quality of life. Thank you for watching Petopia Dogs. We hope these tips help you keep your dog calm and happy. Remember, a relaxed dog means a more joyful home. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share it with fellow dog lovers, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Until next time, take care.